and then made some money and then lose some money and then again made some money. I have not been consistent.
How to manage the money when you don't have any. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Samuna, and if you are a creative or an entrepreneur trying to build your brand, then you want to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because we post videos every week on building your brand so that you can excel at whatever you decide to do. And today we're going to talk about money and how to manage it. I'm not going to teach you how to make money fast, or how to build an online business without doing anything, or how to build a six-figure business. I'm actually on my way to build that business, and then hoping to collaborate with you in this journey, and hope you'll join me in this journey and we'll grow together. With that announcement aside, let's get into the steps that you want to follow to manage the money that you don't have yet. Step 1, talk about money, because baby, money talks. People talk about their sexual life more than their financial life. They will give their graphic details of their sexual life rather than talking about how much they make, where they make, and how much something costs, or even about debt. Step number 2, earn more and spend less. The only way to get rich is by earning more. You cannot become a millionaire by saving $5 on your Starbucks every morning. Meanwhile, while you search for the other income streams, you can save by living below your means. And there's difference between living below your means and becoming cheap. So figure out that for yourself. Keep your needs low, reuse, recycle, manage your resources, and that's how you can live below your means and save some money. Meanwhile, you'll have to search for the more ways to make money. Step number 3, make a budget and stick to it. In the book Secrets of Millionaire Mind, T. Harv Ekers talks about this way that you can divide your money that is very, very practical. So you want to look for that book. We may want to make a video on budgeting soon, so you want to stay tuned. The Richest Man in Babylon is also a great book to learn budgeting. Read that book, details are in the description. I know something is boiling in your mind. I can hear that. You must be saying, Samuna, I don't have any money. I'm a creative. I'm an entrepreneur trying to build my business from the scratch. I don't have a single penny. I got it. So do you know what's the solution? Go get a job. Any job. Wait table, work at the grocery store, babysitting. Do whatever you need to do until you'll be able to do whatever you want to do. Get any job to put a roof over your head. And be extra nice at your day job. I understand sometimes when you are grinding and doing the job that you don't like, you get frustrated and you don't get engaged in the job. But if you do that, you get several advantages. A, you'll have your peace of mind. B, you may even get a raise. C, and most importantly, if you are super nice to your supervisor, manager, and co-worker, you can have a flexible schedule. And you can have as much breaks and day offs to go into that audition and to the seminar and the meetups. D, you can make connection. Your co-workers and customers are your potential client and business associate. Develop that relationship. E, you can create podcasts and videos based on your experience, your day job, and your grinding, and document your journey. As a result, someone else also may get inspired by your journey. How about that for the benefits from the job that you hate? 4th step, saving. Why you save? To buy something, or for some emergency that you are anticipating? If you save to buy something, then eventually you're going to spend that money. And if you are saving for emergency, then that means you are anticipating for something to go wrong. So then why do we save? We save for freedom. We need to have a certain amount of money saved in our bank account so that even if we lose our jobs and business today, we can live few months off that saving. We'll be free from this nightmare. Also, if we have some money aside, we can take big decisions like to travel, start a business, quit a job, get married, or even to start a family. So having that certain amount of money aside will equip you with a better decision power. Step number 5, invest. Investing does not have to do with a lot of thousands of dollars. You can start investing with different apps with less than $1. Also, there are different groups on investing on social media, especially on Facebook. You can join the group and start having conversation and learning, and then invest when the right time comes. Bless that what you want and give that what you need. Step number 6 is giving. In the Hinduism, and I'm sure on the other tradition as well, there are shamans and priests telling people to give away money, clothes and food in order to get rid of their problems for ages. In the age of social media, give attention instead of asking for attention. If you need more money, give money. You think you are unloved, give love. And if you are not sure how to give love when you don't have any, watch this video and learn about the definition of love and how you can create love yourself for yourself and for the world as well. This is another gentle nudge to understand your personal brand and build it, because this is a high time to know who you are and what's your position in the world. And if you think you are not lucky enough and you were never lucky in the past, or you think you're never going to get lucky in the future, then there is this quote in the book, The Richest Man in Babylon. People of action are favored by the goddess of luck. Thank you so much for watching the full video. If you like the video, please like it and please comment your key takeaway from the video. And let's have further conversation on www.samunakc.com, and also in the social media, find me at SamunaKC on Instagram, and I'll see you next week with other brand new videos on building your brand. So stay tuned.